Fold your left knee, fold your right knee, sit in Sukhasana, keep your hands in Gyan Mudra, spine upright, chin parallel to the floor. Stay here and just watch your normal natural breath. Inhale and exhale. Stay here up to 1 minute and relax. From cat pose, raise your hips up, take the chest towards the thigh, bring your head towards the ground. Your heels on the ground, keep your right elbow and left elbow straight and both the knees straight. Stay here, normal natural breath, and slowly come back. From cat pose, point your toes behind and lift your chest up, chin up, retract your shoulder blades and stay here. Take your palm support and take your legs towards ceiling. Place the palms on your lower back and extend your legs fully over the head. Watch your toes. Now slowly can take your legs behind towards the head. Take palm support and slowly come back and relax. From cat pose, push your hips behind, lower down your forehead, rest your forearms, rest your tricep and stay here for 30 seconds to 1 minute and you will feel relaxation.